Okay, let's do the same thing we did for the perceptron algorithm, except now we're going to do it with this SVM algorithm. So we start by looking at this set of points, blue and red, and the line that separates them. And let's recall that the equation of the line is wx plus b equals 0. But now we don't just want a line. We want a line with two extra lines that create the margin. And the equations for these lines are going to be wx plus b equals 1 and wx plus b equals minus 1. So let's recall that we still want to punish the points that are incorrectly classified. But now we're going to think of this region as points that are incorrectly classified, since we don't want anything in between these two lines. So let's remember that. And once again, let's split the error in two. So we have the blue error, except that now the blue error will start from the bottom line because we want to punish the points in the boundary too. And our new red error is going to start in the top line because, again, we really want to punish the points in the boundary. So let's split them like we did before. And as I said, the blue error starts from the bottom line and the red error starts from the top line. And we're going to do something very similar. We look at the values of wx plus b. So in the main line, the value of wx plus b is equal to 0. And as we go up, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And as we go down, it's going to be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. So in order to build the error, we just take the absolute value of this and translate it by 1. So the blue error is going to start at 0 on the bottom boundary line and then increase by 1 to get 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And similarly, the red error is going to be 0 on the top boundary line and then increase linearly in the opposite direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So as we can see, there are 3 red points that give us a blue error. And notice that 2 of them are inside the margin. And there are 3 blue points that give us an error. These errors are given by the value on the side, so it's 3.5 here, 1.5 here, and 0.5 here. And the errors on the right are 2, 3, and 0.3. So what we do is we just add these values and obtain the error. So the error here would be 10.8. And in a nutshell, that is the classification error for support vector machines.